Did you know that around 80% of people who go to the gym don't manage to gain the muscle mass they want? This happens a lot because of one crucial detail: workout splits. In today's video, we're going to talk about how the right workout split can transform your muscle gain, prevent injuries, and improve your performance, as well as how to organize your workouts based on how many days you go to the gym. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, these tips will help you maximize your results. Small adjustments can lead to big changes. Stay with me until the end, because the last tip will blow your mind and will transform the way you plan your workouts. Let's go! Let's start by talking about the common mistakes people make when trying to gain muscle mass. One of the main problems is not having a well-defined training strategy. Many people end up doing random workouts without understanding how the division between muscle groups can impact results. This can lead to overtraining, where you end up getting too tired without seeing progress, or undertraining, where you don't give each muscle group the attention it needs. Besides that, there is also the question of recovery. If you are not respecting the time your body needs to recover, you could be wasting all your effort. But if you want to know one of the best strategies to maximize your gains, I'll give you the golden tip: periodization. This means that you should structure your training in cycles, varying the intensity and volume over time. For example, you can focus on strength for a few weeks and then switch to hypertrophy, where you'll do more repetitions with less weight. This approach not only helps to avoid plateaus, but also keeps your workout sessions interesting and challenging, and that's what will really make the difference in your results. Now let's explore some of the most popular workout splits. One of them is the classic push-pull leg split. Here in push workouts, you work the muscles that push, such as chest, shoulders, and triceps. In pull workouts, you focus on the muscles that pull, such as back and biceps. And in legs workouts, you give attention to the legs and glutes. This split allows you to train each muscle group intensely, while ensuring that other groups have time to recover. Another option is the upper-lower split, where you train your upper body one day and your lower body the next. Both splits have their benefits, and depending on your experience level and goals, one may fit better than the other. Another crucial point to optimize your workouts is to understand the relationship between agonist and antagonist muscles. What does that mean? When you train a muscle, like the biceps, its antagonist, in this case the triceps, is at rest. Training these two groups together is an effective strategy because while one is working, the other is resting, allowing for more efficient recovery. How many days a week can you really train? Don't think about the weeks when you're super motivated. Think about the most complicated weeks, when your routine is full of unforeseen events. How many times can you really go to the gym on those days? Knowing this, you can plan your workouts realistically, avoiding frustration from not being able to fulfill overly ambitious plans. For example, if you know you can guarantee 3 workout days a week, then any extra workout will be a bonus. You will be exceeding your expectation. But if you plan for 5 days and only manage to go 3, it can be demotivating because you'll be falling short of your expectation. The key here is to be honest with yourself about your schedule. Did you know that training a muscle more than once a week generates better results? This is proven by studies. If you can only train 3 times a week, full body training may be your best bet. This means working your entire body in each session, ensuring that all muscles are stimulated regularly. In full body training, you include exercises for chest, back, legs, and arms in each session, optimizing your time and accelerating muscle development. If you have the opportunity to go to the gym 4 times a week, you can choose to better divide your muscle groups. An ABAB scheme, for example, is a great choice, alternating muscle work between days and ensuring that each muscle is trained at least twice a week. However, full body training is still an efficient option, especially for those who are at an intermediate level, allowing for faster recovery. Friend, if you're enjoying this content, invest 2 seconds now and subscribe to our channel. Here, we share valuable content about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life to help you achieve your goals faster and based on science. Let's go back to the workout splits. Now, if you have 5 or more days available to train, you can explore combinations like ABC training completing the week with extra days of full body training. For example, you can train chest and triceps one day, back and biceps the next, and legs on the third. On the remaining days, do full body workouts to ensure additional stimulation in all muscle groups. This approach is excellent for those who want to maximize results without sacrificing muscle recovery. Many people forget, but rest is as important as training itself. Without proper rest, your muscles won't have time to recover and grow. And this varies according to your body type. People with a fast metabolism, such as ectomorphs, need more rest. Endomorphs, on the other hand, with a slower metabolism, can train more often. For example, if you are an ectomorph, a 3-day training schedule followed by 1 day of rest may be ideal. Now, if you are an endomorph, 4 days of training with 1 day of rest may work best. Although it may seem surprising, training the whole body every day, with controlled volume and intensity, can bring great results. Recent studies show that by adjusting workouts correctly, the body can recover faster, frequent workouts without overload. This strategy is effective for those seeking strength and hypertrophy, since daily stimulation, even in smaller amounts, accelerates muscle recovery and improves endurance. And one of the best known and most welcome methods for those who train more than 4 days a week is the ABCD, where you train different muscle groups on alternate days. For example, on day A, focus on chest and shoulders. On day B, focus on legs and glutes. On day C, focus on back. And on day D, the workout will be biceps and triceps. This gives each muscle group the necessary time to rest and recover before the next workout. The key to success in any workout is consistency. Remember that we mentioned that you should structure your training in cycles, varying the intensity and volume over time. This is very important, as is maintaining consistency within each cycle. Maintaining a solid routine within each training cycle allows you to measure your progress and make adjustments when necessary. For those who train 6 times a week, the ABC system with repetition is a great choice, with 1 day of rest between cycles. Light activities, such as walking or stretching, also help with recovery. In addition to the physical benefits, going to the gym regularly helps create a healthy habit. When working out becomes part of your routine, it positively impacts your mind and body. Even if you only train 3 times a week, that's enough to create consistency. Ultimately, the best workout plan depends on your experience level and your goals. For those just starting out, 3 days a week is a good start. As you progress, you can increase the frequency and intensity of your workouts. If your goal is hypertrophy, total training volume is more important than frequency. But if you want to lose fat, training more often may be the best option. Friends, now it's up to you. How about putting these tips into practice and seeing the results? Leave in the comments how you currently split your workouts and if these tips made a difference for you. I'm curious to know. And if you found value in this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel to continue receiving valuable content on health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. Share the video with friends who also want to optimize their workouts. Like the video and be sure to check out the other videos that are appearing on the screen. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next video.